Every type of block can be customized with two types of settings to make sure your WordPress.com website looks just the way you want it. First, each block has its own unique toolbar with its most important features. Click on a block to reveal the toolbar right above it. For example, with the paragraph block, you can format the text, its style and color, and the position of the text within the block. For an image block, you can easily change its alignment, width, and style, or even easily change the image or the type of block itself. Most blocks have additional settings such as duplicating or copying the block in its settings, editing the HTML, and even adding the block you've customized to your reusable blocks, allowing you to create a block you can use again and again. Each block also has a sidebar with additional options to further customize your block and editing. You can reveal the sidebar settings in the drop-down above a block, or by clicking on Settings, the gear icon in the top menu. For image blocks, for example, there are more options for positioning or even editing your image. And for the paragraph block, you can change the font size or color, the background color, and much more. There are many ways to set up and customize your blocks so that you can create and lay out web pages on WordPress.com just the way you want. For more, visit support.wordpress.com.